Good morning, Light Riders. My name is Dan, and this is another edition of Magical Healing Mornings, the place where I get you up, off, and out the door with a shot of love and light to start your busy, beautiful day. Today we're going to go for a healing at a place called Telos. So let's get some breathing started. Deep breath in. Nice cleansing breath out. Another deep breath in. Spread those shoulders down your stomach, down your belly, all the way down. And a nice deep release. Clear everything out. And then one more deep breath in. Make this one count all the way. Spread your shoulders, ribs, everything. Fill your belly up all the way down as far as you can go. And then a nice long deep exhale out. Get everything out. Okay, good job. As usual, get into position, make yourself comfortable, feet flat on the floor, eyes open or closed, back straight as possible. And today we're going to Mount Shasta. I don't know if you know where that is. It's out on the west coast. And it's one of the most powerful mountains that we in the Americas have. So I'd like you to imagine this beautiful mountain right around dusk. I want you to go there. You're coming out of a forest, and you can see all the colors of dusk. The last rays of sunlight are hitting the mountain. The oranges and pinks. It's beautiful. It really shows off its power. We start to walk towards the mountain. Start walking up the face. And we don't have to go very far until we see a cave opening with an ornate arch carved in stone blocks. I want you to go inside. It's dark, but you can see a dim light off in the distance. So you head down deeper into the mountain, and you're greeted by a being of light. His name is Adama, and he takes you by the hand, and you walk deeper and deeper and deeper into the mountain. Slow your breath. Just come into the moment as you walk, hand in hand. Be aware of your breath, your dark surroundings. There's nothing to be afraid of. The Dhamma's lighting the way. Finally, you see a bright light ahead, and the cave that you've been walking in opens up into a beautiful cavern. It's luminous. It's lit up completely, and there are light beings in it. It's a giant city under the mountain, made of light. The two of you go into a building, big dome-shaped building, and you see other people there with light beings. They're there to be healed. Before you, you see a giant crystal bed, and Adama takes you over to that and tells you to lie down. He explains to you that you'll be healed here, rejuvenated and restored. He leaves the room, and the walls become awash with different colors, vibrant, bright colors, all gently swirling around. You can feel the bed begin to vibrate very, very slightly. And you can feel what feels like ants crawling all over your skin. Your skin's being rejuvenated. You look like you're in your 30s. Then you notice the colors begin to change again. The vibration gets a little bit higher. And now all your muscles are being restored and rejuvenated. You can feel them tingling as well. From your feet, calves, legs, your entire body, your arms, your hands, your neck, all the muscles are being gently rejuvenated, magnificently restored. When that's complete, the vibration gets even higher, and again the colors change and get brighter. And you can feel your internal organs begin to buzz. Your lungs, digestive tract, liver, kidneys, adrenals, all your glands, all your organs. One by one you can feel them as they begin to come alive again. And then when they're all complete, the vibration gets even higher. You can feel it in your bones. Every bone in your body being restored, re-strengthened, rejuvenated. It feels so good. You can actually feel all the cells in your body buzzing with new life. Even the space between the cells is alive with this beautiful healing energy. Just soak it all in. Just be. Just enjoy. When you're ready, a Dharma comes over and he sits you up gently and asks you how you feel. Tell him the truth. If you need to go back, go back. If not, he thanks you for coming and he sends you back outside, back from the City of Light, back into the 3D world at the foot of Mount Shasta. He leaves you at the cave entrance. You bow and you thank him for the incredible healing. He tells you you're always welcome back anytime you want. And with a smile, he's gone. You wiggle your fingers and you wiggle your toes and you come back into your 3D space. Take a bow and enjoy the rest of the day totally rejuvenated. Have a great day, my friends. Love and light.